Okay, so as we continue our iPhone 15 unboxings throughout the day, of course, today is officially the launch of the new iPhone 15 and 15 Pro. And of course, I wanted to test out one of the nicest colors that I believe was launched this year with the iPhone 15 lineup. In my opinion, that's going to be the new pink color. And I wanted to get this one because I thought another pink color like this one, I don't think will be coming around anytime soon after the iPhone 15. So taking a look here at the box, you see that the Apple logo is in pink. The font there for the iPhone is pink as well. And on the box, we have a picture of the device and the wallpaper that comes pre-installed on this device as well, or preloaded into this iPhone. Now, I like to call this sort of a Barbie pink because it is definitely a nice popping pink color here that Apple has really never done before. So I wanted to get this one to get inside the box and see exactly what this will look like in person. And there it is. Wow, that is actually pink, very pink, as you can see right there. So this color doesn't look like any other iPhone color that I've ever held. Hopefully the camera will do it justice. So take a look at that color right there. So right here on the camera module, the pink is sort of brighter, I guess you can say, and on the back is sort of muted a little bit. As you can see right there, the rails, the aluminum rails, it actually looks extremely good. So let's go ahead and set up this iPhone here and take a look at that new wallpaper, and the software that comes pre-installed on this device, of course, will be iOS 17. Now, inside of the box, of course, we get a braided USB-C cable. Keep in mind, the iPhone 15 and 15 Pro has switched entirely to USB-C this year, so you're going to get the cable inside of the box. The cable does not match the color of the iPhone, but I can't get over that beautiful color right there. And I'm not the type of guy to use a pink iPhone, but this one just looks very unique. I think a lot of people will find this color very nice looking. Inside of here, we also have some instructions and things like that. Now, to match that, as we set up this iPhone here, I wanted to talk about the Apple Watch, because the Apple Watch also came in pink. So let's take a look at the pink Apple Watch here as well. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Right there it is, and there is the brand new Apple Watch. So on the box, we basically don't have anything on the box other than the picture of the watch here on the front. This is, of course, a Series 9 Apple Watch. So let's get inside of the box here. And of course, I also ordered the pink watch band to go along with. That is the Sport Loop, as you can see right there. We'll get to that in just a few seconds here. But let's get into the box of the Apple Watch, which of course should match the color of the iPhone itself. And there it is. The Apple Watch definitely matches the color of the railing on the iPhone. So as you can see right there, the colors are identical or pretty similar to the same color. And I'm sure that's what Apple intended to do this year with the pink Apple Watch and with the pink iPhone. I think they look very, very nice. Again, I wouldn't be the guy to rock the pink, but it looks really nice. Let's take a look at the watch band here as well, because the Apple Watch band this year is also available in pink. So there we go. The Apple Watch band, the Apple Watch Series 9, and the iPhone 15 in the color pink. So let me go ahead and set up this iPhone and I'll be right back. Okay, so our iPhone here is all set up, and this is what the setup looks like. I think a lot of women will find this appealing. It looks very nice, actually. I really like these two colors. The pink sort of matches, of course, the iPhone. And of course, if we go to the wallpapers, we should have the pink wallpaper to go along as well. If we go to the collections tab right here, so we should have the pink right there. It is. Set up the actual wallpaper, and now we're set and ready to go. Now, this one, of course, will ship with iOS 17, but 17.0.2 is now available for iPhone 15. So as you can see right there, and the current build number is going to be 21A327. Make sure you update your iPhone 15 as soon as you set it up this year. Of course, there's a new update patching security and fixing issues with data transfer and things like that. I think this iPhone just looks amazing, to be honest. I'm going to keep this pink iPhone around because I really like the color. And again, I don't think Apple will do something like this again, and it matches beautifully with the Apple Watch. We'll continue our iPhone 15 coverage, of course. More of it is coming your way here, so make sure to stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.